Hi, I'm Kyle with Paul C. Buff, and today we're here with Chloe, and we are giving you an introduction to Gobos. For our first shot, we're just going to use the Spotlight Gobo, and we're going to use this as our key light. No frills, no extra lights, no hair light, just one Gobo on an optical snoot. For our second setup, we wanted to showcase how to use the Gobos as an element of your backdrop. We positioned the snoot to hit directly behind Chloe. We used a 47-inch Octabox as our key light, but we wanted to fill in some shadows. We leaned a V-flat against our light stand and placed our 5-in-1 reflector on that to bounce a little bit of light back. It's important when setting up your key light to make sure that it's not so bright that it'll actually remove the pattern that you're projecting onto your backdrop. For our third and final shot, we wanted to showcase how you can actually stack two Gobos to create a different pattern entirely. We stacked the window Gobo on top of the Spotlight Gobo and used it to project a sort of superhero mask-like pattern on Chloe's face. Thank you so much for watching. Huge thanks to Chloe for sitting in today. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel below.